you know how to grease the fifth wheel in your truck? My name is Vitor and I'm gonna show you how to. The fifth wheel plays a very important role in the safe and efficient operation of your truck, serving as the link between the tractor and the trailer. Proper lubrication of the fifth wheel is essential to ensure smooth operations, minimize wear and tear, and prevent unnecessary strain in your truck's components. Today, we're guiding you through the process of greasing the fifth wheel, a task that will extend its lifespan and enhance your driving experience. For this task, you'll need a grease gun, ideally one that's automated by air or electric, to ensure an even and sufficient application of grease. Begin by ensuring the truck and trailer are securely parked on level ground. Safety is paramount, so disconnecting the trailer for better access to the fifth wheel is advisable. Before applying new grease, inspect the fifth wheel for any debris, dirt, or remnants of old grease that could hinder smooth operation. Scrape the surface to ensure the new grease adheres properly. With your grease gun at the ready, apply a generous layer of grease to the fifth wheel surface. Ensure coverage is even, paying close attention to the locking mechanism and the bottom of the plate, where the trailer connects. An automated grease gun will help you achieve a consistent layer with minimal effort. The goal is to have a thin, even layer covering all moving parts and contact points without waste. After greasing, it's crucial to check the fifth wheel's operation. Reconnect the trailer and ensure the locking mechanism engages smoothly and securely. This step verifies that the fifth wheel is properly lubricated and ready for the road. Thank you for watching. For more truck maintenance tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to Valvoline channel.